In an ever-changing online business environment, many companies are constantly innovating and finding new opportunities. Different companies team up and seek ways to converge their online platforms to create new products or services. Companies also try to efficiently collect and converge data from various systems within their organization and use it for future businesses, or simply try to convert original business ideas into online platforms and create new value. The core of doing all this is moving and using data. And to efficiently move and use data, certain rules are needed. These rules are called APIs. In order to use APIs more efficiently, you need certain backend environments. You need a microservice environment which divides your legacy into smaller service units. You will also need API lifecycle management and a good DevOps system that can take care of API creation, management, testing, and deployment. Most of this work is done on the back end. Developers often use outside tools to speed up building the back-end functions. However, they need to set up different development environments for different tools, install, and study the tool they want to use, and still need to manually write a lot of code. Can there be an easier and faster way to do this? Yes, there is. Introducing SyncTree. SyncTree is a cloud-based, no-code API solution for developers with a simple drag-and-drop graphic interface. In SyncTree, we have made various backend functions into module function blocks. Instead of writing code, just drag and drop these module blocks, and SyncTree's code engine will build your desired backend environment for you. By simply combining these module blocks, you can easily and quickly create your business logic, build microservices, and manage your entire API lifecycle. Starting SyncTree is easy. You don't need to choose a development language or set a development environment. There are no downloads or installations. Just visit our website, make an account, and you're ready to go. Once you open our SyncTree Studio tool, the first thing to do is to create an app. App means a new project. After creating an app, you create biz units. One biz unit is responsible for one server function and acts as a single microservice server. Once you create biz units, you can start developing your desired business logic with module blocks. There are various kinds of blocks, such as communication, variables, data structure, etc. When combining blocks, coding is not required. Simply drag and drop the blocks to build the contents of your business logic and microservices. Once you save your combined blocks, the API specification document is automatically created. After getting the API specification document, SyncTree's DevOps will help you through the final steps. Our built-in SyncTree DevOps provides real-time testing, real-time debugging, as well as version control. When you complete your build, you can also safely deploy your new service or product. With SyncTree, companies can save a lot of time and money when building microservice structures and running APIs. It also makes the back-end developers' work much easier and faster. APIs? Microservices? Why so serious? Just drag, drop, and go home. To learn more about SyncTree, visit our website at www.synctree101.com and try it out for free.